nobody no believe in a love again.
Intense right now there. You know, have a great singing that's it. Sing it. Tarrus, Father Wagwan.
There, I look father in the making, man.
Godfather in the industry, man. Musical father, man. You teach a lot of us.
Give thanks.
Songs like Good Girls Gone Bad, you know. You teach of love the woman, them she's royal.
Yes, sir.
Tarrus, starting right now. That's before, who forgot? I think kids have known, the journey, music. Yo, where you get into this?
The music, I get into the music really and truly, that is from my father, the late great Mr. Jimmy Riley. So, just being around my father, being in the studio, watching him and him friend them, who is Sly Arabi and, you know, Dean Fraser and some great man. Sometimes I just apart my father and even like, if they're on so big, but that is music and him don't leave me out. So the environment was music. So I tell people all the while, maybe if he was a mechanic, I know for fix guy. But I just there around the music and then I start love it bad. You have bun to them and the beginning of my bus out and I say, I want to be like them.
Would you say like you want to bridge music for dancehall and reggae?
I wouldn't vex with that.
Your songs are basically like you have a time when you're a DJ, you have a time when you sing, you kind of merge it with them. Like why you choose that road?
It's like a complete artist, you know. I don't have to be the best singer, but I want to try to get the best song. You know, so sometimes I have to sing, sometimes I have to DJ, sometimes I have to chant, I have to just be like an instrument. Because if I take the piano and play every kind of music, so I just saw me, but me keep my own conscious.
Of all the songs though, Tarrus, like what song are the song where I say, yo, this was the song where make you know it, they have to stay?
No, the favorite not make it.
Not make it?
Yeah, because my favorite is always the new one. Oh, that is how I work. The new one is my favorite.
Jamaican music right now, the state of it right now, what do you think it's missing?
What is it missing? Probably just originality. Maybe a lot of people sound similar, so maybe them could experiment in different sounds of rhythm and voices. We have the standout looks and everybody look wild and but we want some standout sound and maybe standout topic.
I mentioned about looks, image in there. I want a man in the industry, it's an image of the Rasta. Rasta with fashion.
It's not a fashion Rasta neither.
No, it's a Rasta with fashion.
You just put Rasta first. But I just comfortable, you don't know, sometimes it go with the music, no? So I just that.
Reggae Sumfest.
Big show.
9 years.
Big show.
9 years since.
You can imagine, 9 years life fast.
Why now though?
Why not now? Why not now? And it's a long time Jamaica people don't see a full set with me. Them see me pop up some little place, but it's a long time I don't get them the full course.
What can people expect at Reggae Sumfest from Tarrus right now?
Well, it's not talky, you know. It's singing. Whole heap of music. Whole heap of surprises. We have a tribute in my performance.
Your father, Jimmy Riley,
and Cocotti and Dennis Brown.
So talk about what you feel about that though.
I feel great. The first time I got to Sumfest was with my father as a little youth. So like Sumfest, I always have a memory, so. Because me and my old man did go to Sumfest. Long before my name, no Tarrus, nothing, just my Riley, little youth. You know what I mean? So to go Sumfest now and I pay a tribute to my father, you don't even know, says I'm full up my heart, trust me. Yeah man, and then
Tarrus.
I not done, because watch this now, the people them feel like say is tribute alone, but it's really my set and then we're going to put the tribute in the set. And we're going to big up Gregory Isaac, and we're going to big up Dennis Brown. I have some brethren from England, I'm going to come forward and help do it.
What's the scene outside of Jamaica though for like our culture?
Well, them love it, Them love everything, food, fashion and music, and we run it.
Every day.
Why is it that though, when they go overseas, like reggae at the standout genre, like dancehall have a setback for them?
I want to tell you my experience. I don't really see much division in the music. I think we in Jamaica do that more than the world. I don't really see the big divide in the music. A man say, why you're Jamaican? Oh, okay, you do reggae, you do dancehall. Them don't really expect one thing from you. Okay. But in Jamaica, we directly say, this is reggae and this is dancehall and this become,
Have you ever felt needed like you have to choose between reggae and dancehall?
No, I don't have to choose, man.
If you're a Rasta, you're reggae?
No, man, me is a Rasta man, different from music. Me live a Rasta lifestyle, So you hear that in my music. But as we can do ska, we can do rocksteady, we can do dancehall, we can do reggae, we can do mentor, we can do kumina, we can do naya bingi, any kind of music. So then as a Rasta man, you're going to hear that influence in my music. But I have to pick a genre. Jamaica have so much different styles.
All of them have some big collaboration with the dancehall side of the dancehall music.
Yeah, man.
We see with Governor.
New, special time.
Mad, big song.
Yeah.
Love a song, you know? Love a song.
Yeah.
You have the Dexter.
Yeah, man,
we see two singers work on one song like that, mad.
And we have 2 tunes.
Yeah.
My Dexter have 2 tunes, one for female album, one for mine. Me and Massacre did have Corner, me and Shensi have Lighter. Me and Zaga have Free Up. Me just sing song with people, you know. We don't fight against artists and pick and choose artists, because it's not a personal thing. Me is a lover of music and me is a fan of the music, so I love enough artists, man, different style of artists, to 450. Me start name, we got drawn on the thing.
Yeah, a lot of them. Do you write songs?
I write for other people too. Me is a writer, me not wrong, me write.
Ghost write or write?
Me not ghost, ghost a singer. Ghost have a bad song now to me like.
Everyone full of you.
No, ghost a bad singer,
So
a ghost have a new tune.
You write what we might know.
Absolutely.
What advice would you give your young self before music?
That's a good question. But when I say some man do some things in a studio, I say, John, no, I should have focused on more technical engineering part. Right? Just for me. Because I can sing and write song and rap, but sometimes some man make some sound with some things and I say, John, no, how do that? Good question, that man.
But
that was intense.
Tarrus, what's next for you right now?
What's next for me is Reggae Sumfest.
Now why should people come check out Reggae Sumfest and see your performance?
When they not see me in 9 years.
9 years ago.
In Sumfest, them see me one place, but them not really see a full set in 9 years. We are going to do a tribute to the legends. Them not see me in 9 years.
And if we should right now have a Tarrus Riley and friends, like, you should ask the headline with Tarrus Riley. Wow,
Tarrus Riley and friends concert. Who would headline that with me? You'd have to have my father, my teacher, my mentor, Mr. Fraser for sure. He'd have to give me a set. And then probably one artist from the dancehall and one artist from the reggae side, and then me and the big one. The cream of the crop on either side.
Tarrus.
That's cool, no, man.
Respect for the reason.
Oh, gosh.
You know what? It's nice when I have an interview we can actually learn from. I get my son Tarrus blessings for the music I actually put out. Because as we say, you don't want to take names of Godfather feet, but we say I want a father. But we can listen to songs and to this day, we can use it. Our journey. You get me, Mr. Tarrus?
Big up, man. Thanks,
intense.
Man.
You know,
intense and a fast.
You want to keep it real. You get me, Mr. Tarrus Riley. Sing it. Check him out. Sumfest. Don't miss it. One Tarrus.
Check out Tarrus on Night.